25 episodes ago, we started with a single address. Today, the season finale, we zoom all the way out to the shapes networks are built from. Star, bus, ring, mesh, 4 patterns of connecting things, each with a superpower and a weakness. Learn the shapes and you can read any network diagram at a glance. Let's decode it. I'm Tessa, and this is Envision Decoded. A topology is simply the layout of connections. Who is wired to whom? It is not about distance or speed, it is about structure. And structure decides the 2 questions that matter. What happens when a link fails, and how much cable and cost the design demands? Why care about shapes? Because every outage conversation is secretly a topology conversation. Does one broken cable take down one device, or everything? Is there a single point whose failure kills the network? Exams ask it directly, and real designs live or die by it. Shape equals failure behavior. The star. Every device connects to one central point, a switch, like episode 13. One cable breaks, one device drops, everyone else keeps working. But the center is the single point of failure. The switch dies and the whole star goes dark. This is your home and office network, the default shape of modern LANs. The bus. One shared backbone cable, every device tapped into it. Cheap, minimal cable and completely obsolete for wiring, because any break anywhere severed the entire network, and everyone shared one collision-prone medium. You will meet the bus in history sections and exam questions. The ring. Each device connects to exactly 2 neighbors. Traffic travels around the loop. Orderly and predictable, but a single break stops the ring unless you run a second counter-rotating ring. Rings survive today in some provider and industrial networks, where that dual-ring resilience is worth it. The mesh. Devices interconnect with multiple paths, partial mesh, some redundancy, or full mesh, everyone to everyone. Its superpower is survival. Links can fail and traffic reroutes around the damage. Its cost is cost. Full mesh connections explode as devices multiply. That is why mesh is the shape of backbones and the internet core, and wirelessly, of your mesh Wi-Fi at home. And here is the season coming together. Your house is a star around the switch and access point. Your mesh Wi-Fi nodes form a small mesh. Your provider may ring the city, and the internet's core is a giant partial mesh. Real networks are hybrids, built from these 4 shapes. So, to decode it. Star. Everything to a central switch. One cable fails one device. The center is the risk, the modern default. Bus. One shared cable, and one break anywhere took down the whole network. That is why it is history. Ring. A loop of neighbors, needs a second ring to survive breaks. Mesh. Many paths, survives failures, costs connections, the shape of the internet itself. Real networks mix all 4. And that is a wrap on networking fundamentals. 25 concepts, decoded. If this series helped you, hit subscribe, it genuinely matters. And tell me in the comments which episode helped most. Season 2 starts soon. How the internet works, beginning with everything that happens in the 1 second after you hit enter. I'm Tessa. This was Envision Decoded. See you in Season 2.